I got a message this morning. Somebody wanted to know how my irrigation system works. Well, this is it. We've got the hose pipe there that goes onto tap. Then down here, I've got these two. These are non-return valves. And you get the little adapter there. Right, I shall just leave you sitting there a minute while I get the hose pipe. Right, just get the hose pipe. Can't remember which this is connected to, but that's on. And if you can see, hold on, I'll just spin you around a bit. On there, if this little tap bit here is turned sideways, that means it's turned off. That is now turned on. So I just come around here. Can't see enough because of the sun. Turn the tap on, and that is now watering. Trouble is, I can't remember if it's watering the cabbages, the taters, or what. But I've got two hose pipes that run down the back of these sheds here. Right, I'll just turn you off until I get into the corner. Right, they run round back at sheds and they come out here. The original hose pipe, but the original pipe, this irrigation system that I bought, well, this one, it's only got the thin one. This one goes to the strawberries, and I'm now watering the cabbages because this is too light. But that goes from a 13mm or a 15mm down to, I think, the 10. It goes from there through the fence. Right, I'll turn you off again. There you go, you can see the sprinklers working. Right, down here, that's where it comes through the fence. But here, I've got an isolating tap. So I turn that one off, which shuts all these off. And then I've got another one here. I've turned this one on. That is now watering these. If you can see that, you'll be able to see them better under there. But that's now watering them. And I turn that one off, and I should be watering outside there. Can't see out. Hopefully you can see that. But that's now watering the ones outside. But as it is, it's done naught but bounce it down for maybe 2 weeks. So I don't need it on. They'll be getting chopped in the next couple of days. I'll open this one up and in, then I'll go turn it off and I'll explain some more bits. Well, the system that you buy off of eBay, you get that little adapter that goes from an hose pipe down to the 10mm, and that's this black pipe here. Comes through there, up, over. Then you have these joints. These all come with them, but you do not get these little clips. I had to buy a crap load of those because the pressure of the mains, if you haven't got them clamped down, it just pops them off. I mean, you can't really tell now because this used to be free. but it bounced it down, soaked everything. I mean, it was a proper storm. Soaked all the pipes, all 3 of them, and then next minute it got red hot and it melted the plastic sleeving on the cable, and these all collapsed on top of the cabbages, and I'm not sure if it was sweet potatoes or normal potatoes down there, but it collapsed on it all. So now I've got it plumbed in for 3 lots of pipes, but I've only got 2. Hence there been loads like this that are just dangling nowhere. Yeah, that's basically it. But you get little, if I can see one, there's one. You get little spike bits, if you can see that. It just pushes into there, and the nozzle bit, you just swivel it around and that will turn it from a drip to a proper sprinkle. But I've got mine set on a low sprinkle, well basically a drip, so it drips into each thingy, each plant. Right, this stuff is either 13 or 15 mil pipes. Get it off of eBay. Like I said, it's got that isolating taps, so I can isolate individual bits. But with this one, when you buy it, you buy the pipe, and if you can see this little bit down the bottom, oh, I'm gonna spin it around a little bit, that bit there, you have to buy that, and then you buy the tubing, and then I bought them, and this is how the tape is and everything else got sorted out. But you end up buying elbows, tees, loads of different bits. And that's an elbow there, that runs straight down the middle. Your end caps, because it's not one continuous loop like some people have. Mine only comes out here, so you have an end cap, and that's basically it. You find you end up buying little extra bits, but it depends how your system works. That's how mine is. I mean, this year we've just bought this piece of land here, so over once all plants are out, I'll start ripping it down and moving stuff about. But for now, this is how I've got it set up. These are some bits that I've got left over. Right, I'll see if I can show you what they do. Right, you have this thin pipe. Right, if you were putting one of these on, that'd be at the middle of there somewhere. You'd have a little spur coming off here. So this bit, this bit would be a spur. Push that on. You got to make sure that it goes all the way on past that second lip. It tends to get into your fingers eventually. But that'd be like your main line going through there. And you go like that. And you got your sprinkler. Just push that in. Give it a wiggle about. And once it's past that lip, you can see that's done. So that's how that one goes. Then you've got these ones, which I don't think they're as good as the other ones. They just plug into ends, so that, you can see it, that'll just go into there, and into there, you know what I mean. That's the bit that goes from the, I think it's 13mm down to the 10mm. So you get some of this stuff, unscrew that, run your pipe through, feed that on like the other bit, tighten it up. That's how that bit works. And you've got elbows, ends, stuff like that. These are the little spikes, if you can see them. They're the little spikes that you use for that, basically. I'll just pop one out. That's your main drag there. I don't know if you can see it. That goes there, and you just pop that into there. On it, that bit there would be the red one. So that's basically that bit, and then the sprinkler would sprinkle that way. Whereas this goes outwards, the red one would go that way. If that makes sense. Right, going on to the bigger pipe. If you're doing the bigger pipe, then you have to buy them. Should have a bit of black pipe somewhere. No, I haven't got no pipe. No. But basically, if you think of having your big thick black pipe, is it 13mm? I can't see if you can see out because the sun's out now. That'd be your end cap, and you'd have your pipe here. You just get a little nail like that, stick it through the pipe, only through one side of it of course, pop it out, then you push one of them in, and then this stuff, if you can see it, this stuff goes onto there, and then you put your sprinkler on the end of it. And that's all I can show you for today.